your last cycle was. Do you need a helpful method to help you regulate your cycle? Well, according to Chinese medicine, I want to introduce to you black Cowash. You can put a squeezer full into your soup, salad, and smoothies a couple times a day. It can help regulate your cycle. Number one, it tones the uterine wall. And number two, it helps shed that uterine wall, helping you to have a regular cycle. Stay consistent with it, doing it daily till you get 3 consistent cycles. And I also want to introduce you to an acupressure tip that can also help manage stress and also regulate your hormone levels. What I want you to do is put your fingertips together to your third eye, and I want you to go above the eyebrows into your temple. And I want you to do this follow along with me for the next minute, but I want you to do this couple minutes, couple times a day till you get 3 regular cycles. And this is such a great method to help relax you, reduce the cortisol levels, and regulate estrogen, progesterone, FSH, and LH, letting you have a regular cycle. Also go to our YouTube channel, and there we have 30 days on tips, on acupressure tips to help you regulate that cycle and be confident with that cycle. You can pick from any one of the acupressure tips, but I need you to do one tip, couple minutes, couple times a day till you get 3 consistent cycles. Stay consistent with it because consistency brings consistent results in helping you looking and feeling your best as a woman here on the planet. Of course, work with your doctor on any recommendations that he or she may give you, and I wish you all the best in feeling your best from your acupuncturist friend, Anita Tadavarthi.